Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm out here this morning fishing another Berkley Havoc bait. People might ask, why am I fishing so many Berkley Havoc baits? The answer is simple. To show that anyone can go to Walmart, buy these baits, and catch bass. Here we have it, Berkley Havoc, 8-inch juice worm, green pumpkin, one of my all-time favorite colors. Let's get one of these out of here and onto the hook. Separate the tail. There we go. Pretty standard looking worm here. It's got some little ridges on it right here. I'm going to Texas rig that right here with a 1/4 ounce bullet weight. There we go. Let's see if we can make this happen. I'm just trying to show people and kids, if your parents aren't rich, like my parents weren't rich, you can still go out there. You can get yourself a combo from Walmart, a few bags of baits, and learn how to catch bass just like me. It's an awkward time during the dog days of summer. The shad haven't showed up yet. The water is really warm. It's kind of tricky to figure out the fish. My best bet is fishing shallow weeds. He caught that bush right in the front. That was a good cast. Let's try somewhere else. Do I go back for the glasses? Hell yeah, it's sunny. Oh, that's better. Let's try down here for some bass. Still fishing this Texas rig green pumpkin Havoc Juice Worm. See if I can get any blow-ups dragging it across the top of the weeds every once in a while. Fish! All right. Got this bass dragging that worm across the top of the weeds. He's covered in weeds. There we go. Dragging that plastic worm across the top of the scum over here. Blew up on it right there as I was dragging it through. Nice little bass right here. Let's get him back in the water. So here's what I got him on. Yeah, pretty much. Let me peel this shit off of here. Find my lure. It's in here somewhere. Look how much of this shit I have to clean off of here. So what you got to do though when you're fishing in the muck, there we go. That's what I got him on. But honestly, I could have got him on a Q-tip with a hook in it. Anything dragging across the top of this, he would have splashed at it just like that. And fortunately, he got a good mouthful and I was able to hook him. Let's keep trying. Let's keep moving down. I'm just going to pitch to the openings I see in the weeds here now. Don't you hate that shit? over pitched it to the little spot I wanted. Now it's all covered in goop and I gotta redo it. More cleaning off goop. It's pretty much what it's all about. Alright, let's go to the next spot. Alright, well, they're mowing the grass and weed whacking and shit over here, so I'm gonna keep on moving down to the next one. Alright, this is the last spot I'm gonna try for today. Let's try the other side, Snag Central. Here we are, my favorite lucky, unlucky spot. Those fucking cicadas are really loud, right? I got a little bit of fishing in. I didn't get anything at the first spot. I got one swimming my worm over the top of the muck at the second spot I tried. And nothing over here. But that's fishing. If you think you're gonna go out there and catch 6 4-pounders in 25 minutes like a YouTube video, you got another thing coming. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.